how to fix Zomato refund not credited to account. Here, the very first thing that you actually need to do is check your payment mode timeline. Standard refund takes about 2 to 4 business hours for UPI or the wallet, and 3 to 5 business days for debit or credit card. So make sure to at least wait for these business hours or business days and have patience. So even after all of these days or hour, if it's still not arriving and you have not still been refunded, then you can try to verify your refund or reference RRN2, right? So that basically means open your Zomato application, and then from here you can simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner right here, where you'll be able to see your orders. Go there and then select the relevant order, and you can view your refund details to find the unique transaction reference, that is the UTR or the RRN number, and then from there you can look for the refund entry using the provided UTR code in your bank or wallet statement. So if the time limit has passed without any credit, you can actually go to your profile again, and then from there you can go to money or wallet, or you can get into the help in Zomato and attach the bank statement snippet and request a manual reconciliation, and I'm pretty sure that way you can fix the Zomato refund not credited to account.